Welcome to the channel. My name's Sam and I've been trading options for 7 years. If you're here, then that means you're interested in learning how to trade options. This free course will be very beneficial for you, and I'm teaching it the way that I would want to be taught, and that is incrementally at a slow but steady pace. It's easy to get overwhelmed with trying to tackle too much at once, so to avoid that, the entire course will be delivered over a number of videos that you can progress through at your own pace. Likely, this is a brand new concept for you, so initially it will take some time. We're going to start off slow and build up, and each video gets slightly more in depth and involved. My goal is that by the end of this course, you have an understanding of what an option contract controls, how to trade options, the risks involved, and the potential strategies you might want to undertake. To give you a little insight into what options trading is like, I'm first going to show you an example of an option trade. This will hopefully perk your interest so you can stick through with the remainder of the course. Let's take a look. Okay, so very soon I'm going to put this trade on. I'm going long, an in the money call, 6 DTE. So about to put that one on. Let's see if that one fills. Okay, so we just filled that one at 6,580. You don't really want to be in this one too long, so I'll just try and get $100 for that. 6,690. So we just got to see if price action moves favorably for us. Right now we're sitting on the option chain. That trade is active. Alright, so there's the premium right there. Now you can see how when price moves in the other direction, it starts to chew away at that premium. Premium drops on us. This is a long strategy, so I wanted it to go long. I wanted premium to increase. It did, so I just got out of that trade. So let's have a look now. So I bought the 6,850 call and sold that one, as you can see up here. So that's 110 profit minus fees and commissions. We just made over 100 from that. We weren't in the trade too long, so it's always good when we don't have to stay in the trade too long. Wish it was like that every time, but that's an example of an option trade for you. Okay, so if that kind of trading interests you, then you're in the right place. Please remain realistic though. It can be difficult to be profitable. It's taken me 7 years to get where I am, and I'm still learning. You're not always going to have winning trades. You will have losing trades. That's a fact. And if you want to embark on the journey of learning to trade options, then I have to advise you that you will require mental adversity, but it's worth it in the end. So enjoy the course, and I'm confident you'll get a lot out of it. Head to the next video to start. Have a good day.